Okay, GPSINA GPS Tracker upgrade from M2. This is M2. It's take out from the old system. Okay, upgrade to the X1, the 4G GPS Tracker. A 2G M2 upgrade to the 4G GPS Tracker. Oh, off. Okay, download a GPSINA app. ACC off. Got a notification. Okay, on again. Engine start. ACC on. Okay, now a setting. For lorry, we do a setting for the starter on off. So I press for the oil card. The security pin you can set yourself. Okay, change oil card. Okay, now it's oil card on. Okay, off engine. Now it's off engine. Okay, on engine again. Cannot start. Try again. Cannot start. OK， 这个是 cut starter 啊 ，X1 我们接在罗里里面有一个 cut starter。OK，now I turn off， 我现在把设定关掉 ，turn off cut starter or oil cut. So for lorry we do a cut starter, for small car we do a oil cut. So enter again for the security pin. Okay, to turn off oil cut. To turn off the cut starter. Okay, now try again. Okay, engine start. So this is upgrade version for GPS tracker from M2 to X1. M2 is for 2G, X1 is for 4G. Okay, Play Store. Download GPSINA app. ACC on. More. So you can set the notification. So we turn on for the notification ACC. Alert. ACC on off. Okay, check the location. Okay, actual location. Link to Google Maps. GPS X1 Tracker. Installed by one piece.